Yes, inside this building. Through the effort and leadership of the Dean of College of Medicine ng Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila and the PLM Board of Regents, in a matter of few months, we're going to groundbreak the new Pamantasan Lungsod ng Maynila a few meters away from this institution. And I was told during the course of our meetings in the school ground with the Board of Regents, on a regular 300, 500, that we can accommodate to produce doctors and nurses and other what you call allied health professionals. The Dean herself said, on what we're going to build here can produce 5,000 medical professionals. So you do the math. You do the math. From regular 300 to 500, we are now going to produce thousands. And that's what you call participating in nation building. Your city government will continue to participate and produce more medical professionals in our country so that mabulunan ng mundo at yung spill matira sa Pilipinas nang hindi na tayo kapusin. You cannot blame them. They wanted better things for themselves. I'm happy for them. But I'm proud to those who say. Palakpakan ninyo ang inyong